Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine, no? Yes. So I am Geeta Miss. You all know me. Today's our lecture is grammar. Lesson number 4, I or you. We have done this. Okay. So now see this. I or you. This is the page of your lesson. Okay, lesson number 4. Read what the children are saying. See this boy. I am face. See, this boy is telling I am face. So he is reading that. He is using I. Okay. Next picture. I am a good boy. He is speaking himself. Okay, own self. So it is I. He is using I. Now see you look here. Now you look here. You are Beena. So here you is, this girl is speaking to her that you are Beena. Okay. So she is using you. Okay. Now see, your boy and one girl are there. So this boy is telling to that girl that you are a good girl. See here, he is using you. He is using you to this girl. Understood this? See, again I am telling. Read what the children are saying. See here, all the children are there. You have to see what they are saying. Okay? See now. I am face. See, this boy is telling I am face. Okay? Here you are Beena. See, this girl is telling you are Beena. Here this boy is telling you are a good girl to this one. Okay? You are a good girl. Why he is using to her? Because he is speaking to this girl, means to other person who is talking with him. So he is using you. This girl is talking with this boy. So boy will use you. You are a good girl. Okay. He is talking to this girl. Now in this sentence, I am a good boy. Now this boy is telling that I am, because he is speaking to himself. So it will used I. He will use I. I is used for him. Okay. Understood this? Okay. Okay. Yes. You all have understood where you have to use I and where you have to use you. Okay. Now see this. This boy is sitting here. He is telling I am in class 1. He is in class 1. Okay, so he will use I. Why he will use I? Because he is speaking about him, his own self, about his own self. Okay, so he will say I am in class 1. Similar, see here these two children. You are in class 2. They will say that you are in class 2. They both are talking. So this boy is talking to the girl that you are in class 2. He is speaking about the girl. He is talking to the girl. So he will use you are in class 2. Understood this? Yes. So now we will see that how I and you are used. Okay. I is used to talk about own self. I is used to talk about oneself. So when one is speaking about oneself, so it will be I. See here, he is speaking about oneself, means he is speaking about himself. So it is I. And see now this next sentence, you is used for the person or the persons you are talking to. Now here see, these both are talking. These both children are talking. So they will use you. Okay. So this boy will use you. You are in class 2nd. This boy will say to the girl, you are in class 2nd. Understood this? So I is used to talk about oneself. Understood this? You is used for the person or the persons you are talking to. So why you is used, where you is used, you all know. Okay, these words are used in place of naming words. Now see, I and used are used in naming words for in the place of naming words. See, I am in class 1. We can say about him, we can take his name, that see, the boy is in class 1. We can speak that, the boy. Now the boy is a naming word, but instead he is speaking own self, so he will use I. I am in class 2. Same here. If the girl is here, so he will, if the boy says, the girl is in class 2nd, instead he is using the word you. Okay? Understood? Yes. Okay? Yes. So fill in the blanks with I or you. Now see this. This two picture you see here. This dress is nice. This dress is nice. So what you have to use? You are looking smart. This boy is telling to the girl, you are looking smart. Okay. Now number B. I am alone. What he is telling? I am. So he will use I love ice cream. Understood? We have done this first lecture of grammar. Okay? We have done this. So again see this. Fill in the blanks with I or you. Fill in the blanks with I or you. Now see number A. This dress is nice. You are looking smart. Okay? You are looking smart. So he is talking to this girl that this dress is nice and you are looking smart. So this boy will use the word you. Understood this? Now next sentence. See this. I am alone. I love ice cream. He is talking that. He is speaking up that I am alone. So he will use I. He is talking about own self. I love ice cream. Understood? Now see this. Number C. This is a park. This is a park. Okay, can you see the picture of a park? This is a park. I play here. See, this is a park. The boy is telling that, he is talking to us that this is a park and I play here. So he is talking about own self, that I play here. Understood this? Now see here. The boy is there. He has a racket in his hand. Okay. Now we will speak the sentences. We will read the sentences. I love sports. So, I play every day. Now see this boy. I love sports. He is talking about own self. I love sports. He is talking about own self, that he loves sports. So, I play every day. He is telling that I play every day. I play every day sports because I love it. Okay. Now number E. See this family. Can you see this family here? Yes. This is my family. This is my family. Now what we will use? I am the youngest. I am the youngest. See now, this is my family. Here the my family. This is a naming word. And I am the youngest. The boy is youngest. So, okay, we will use I because he is talking about his family. This is my family. I am the youngest. Understood this? Okay, children? Yes, we have done this. So you must be knowing it. Now see this picture. Yeah, this is a picture. The two boys are there. There is a dog. Okay. So both the boys are talking. This boy is telling to this boy, your dog is nice. He is telling to that boy, your dog. He is having a dog, no? So he is telling, your dog is nice. And then he is telling about himself that I like your dog. He likes his dog. He is telling him, but he will not use he or you. He will use I. Okay? Your dog is nice. I like your dog. Understood? Yes. Now see. Now let us read more such words which replace the naming words. See. She is a good dancer. She is a good dancer. Now see the picture of the girl that is dancing. Now see this picture of a girl. Okay. She is in the park. She is in the park. So here she is used. S-H-E, she. We are talking about this girl. So S-H-E, she. She is in the park. Okay. She is in the park. See, again we will read such words which are replacing naming words. If we will tell that woman is a good dancer, instead of the woman we are using she. Okay, the woman is a good dancer, but instead of woman if we use she is a good dancer. Understood this? Woman is a naming word. We are replacing it with she. Okay, and here also the girl, we are not using the girl, we are using she. The girl is in the park. Now girl is a naming word, so it replaces this. She replaces the naming word. So she is in the park. Understood? Now here you see, he is a doctor. Can you see the picture of a doctor? He is a doctor. Okay. See, he is replaced by naming word. The man is a doctor. The man means he. We are using he. He replaces the naming word. He is a doctor. Understood? Yes. Now see here. He is my friend. See these two boys. Can you see the picture of these two boys? They both are talking. This boy is telling to other third person that he is my friend. He is my friend. Okay, he is not talking to him. He is talking to third person. Okay, so he will use he. He will not use the boy. The boy is my friend. Instead, he will use he is my friend. Okay, he replaces the naming word. Understood this? He replaces the naming word. Okay. Now see this. It is an old book. Can you see the picture of a book? It is old. It is an old book. The book is old. Okay. Now we cannot say the book is an old book. Okay. This is an old book. So instead of that it is written it. The book replaces with the word it. Okay. Now see here this picture. It is a friendly dog. See, this dog is telling to us that the boy is telling us that the dog is friendly. So how we will speak? It is a friendly dog. Yes, we have learned that it is used for things. Okay, animal thing, animal place. Okay, it is a friendly dog. So dog is a animal. So it is used. Understood? Yes, it is a friendly dog. Okay. Now we will learn what is there. He is used to talk about a boy or a man. Now we have learned this. How he is used. He is used to talk about a boy or a man. Understood this? When we use he, Okay, when we are talking about a boy, when we are talking about a man, we used he. Okay, and the next sentence, when we will use she, this we have already done. She is used to talk about a girl or a woman. Now when she is used when we are talking about a girl or a woman. She is used when we are talking about a boy or man. He is used. See the difference of he and she. Can you see the difference between he and she? When he is used when we talk about a boy, and she is used when we talk about a girl or a woman. Understood? Now see it. When we use it is used to talk about a baby, an animal, a thing or a thing. Okay, when we use it is used to talk about a baby, an animal or a thing. Understood? Yes. The words he, she and it are also used in place of proper nouns. Understood this? He is used to talk about a boy or a man. She is used to talk about a girl or a woman. It is used to talk about a baby, an animal or a thing. The words he, she and it are also used in place of proper nouns. Okay, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Okay, he, she, it, where we have to use he, where we have to use she, where we have to use it. I hope that you all must have understood this. Okay, now see. Okay, see now. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. See here the girl picture. This is Maya. She is 6 years old. She is 6 years old. Okay. Now see number B. I am Raj. I stay in that house. This is Raj and he is speaking that he stayed in that house. He is talking about himself. Understood? Fill in the blanks with the correct words. We have to use he, she, I. Okay, I, you, he, she, it. Okay, now see here. This is my mother. See the picture, see. This is my mother. This boy is telling that this is my mother. She is driving. She is driving a car. Okay. This is my mother. She is driving. Number D is, this is Raju. He is my cousin. See here, this is Raju. He is my cousin. Okay, we are talking about him that this is Raju. But what about Raju? What we use? He is my cousin. Understood this? Yes. Okay, now number E. See, I like your painting. Okay, we all tell that girl is drawing a painting. I like your painting. You draw well. See, we are using you, your painting. So, it is you. You draw well. Okay, now see, this is Tutu. We are talking about an animal. This is Tutu. It is our pet. See here, it is written. It is our pet. Understood? Yeah, this is Tutu. It is our pet. Now we have all done this in previous lecture. Okay. So now today. Okay, now see here. Look at the pictures. Now again see the pictures here. Can you see the picture? Yes, see. We are best friends. These all three. Can you see these three girls? Yes, these three girls are friends. They all are together. They are three. 1, 2 and 3. 3 girls are there. So, They are talking about them. Okay, three of them are talking about themselves. So what we will use? We are best friends. They are telling that we are best friends. Okay, we are best friends. Understood this? See these girls, what they are saying? We are best friends. Okay, the three of the girl, they use here we is used because they all three are best friends. But how they will say to, how they will speak up that we, they will use we. We are best friends. Understood this? Yes. Okay. Now see here. See the picture, next picture. Can you see this picture? Yes or no? Yes. See how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See there are 5 students here. So all are sitting. They all are doing their work. Okay. So what they will use? They will use they. They are my friends. Okay, we study together. This boy, see this boy. This boy is picking up. Okay, this boy is picking. This boy is telling that all these, they means he is talking about all these children. Okay, what we will use? He will use they. They are my friends. We study together. They are my friends. We study together. He will speak up that we study together. Understood this? Okay. Now see. Okay, how we is used? We stands for the names of more than one person speaking. Where we use we used, or see here, we stands for the names of more than one person. We used we when there are more persons. Okay, when there are boys, girls, man or woman, children. Okay, all when we are speaking for more than one person. Okay, so see here, we stands for the names of more than one person speaking, like boys, girls, man and woman. See here, this boy is speaking about more than one person. There are 4 persons in the class. Okay, so he will use they. Understood? See, now how we will use they? Why they stand for the names of more than one person, animal or thing. There are more persons, so he will use they. Understood? See here, first one. See, we will use we when they will speak about more than one person. So we, and here the names of more person. When this boy is speaking about the person, more than one person, he will use they. Understood? Yes. Now see the next slide. Okay, replace the highlighted naming words with we or they. Now we see we have to replace these words. Okay, replace the highlighted naming words with we or they. Understood? So what we have to do? China, number A I am seeing. See, red colors there are given. The words are given in red color. Okay. China and Ravi love cartoons. See, we are talking about China and Ravi. China and Ravi love cartoons. So what we will use? They love cartoons. Okay. They love cartoons. Instead of China and Ravi, we used they. Understood this? Now number B. Sunil and I are going to school. See number B. Sunil and I. They are red color words. Sunil and I are going to school. So what will be the, what we will use? We use we. We are going to school. Okay. We are going to school. See here, I is coming, no? So, Sunil and I. So, what will use? We. We are speaking about more than one. So, it is Sunil and I. So, there are two persons, no? So, we will use we. We are going to school. See, are going to school is same here in the sentences. Okay. Only we will use we. We are going to school. Understood? Now number C. See, Cheryl, Meena and I. See, three persons are there. Cheryl, Meena and I. More than one person. So there are three persons. So what we will use? We. Cheryl, Meena and I are good friends. Okay. So we use we. We are good friends. Understood this? We are good friends. Understood? Cheryl, Meena and I are good friends. Instead of these three words, okay, we will use we. We are good friends. Okay. See number D. Number D. I will read the sentence. Dogs, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. See, dog, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. Okay. So, what will we use? They. We will use they. Dogs and cat and fishes. So, we will use they. There are more than one. Dogs, more than one dogs. Cats, more than one cat. Fishes, more than one fishes. So, they can be kept as pets. Okay, all these animals can be kept as pets. So we will use they. Understood this? Dogs, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. So they can be kept as pets. Understood? Again we will read this. China and Ravi love cartoons. They love cartoons. Okay, Sunil and I are going to school. We are going to school. Okay, Cheryl, Meena and I are good friends. We are good friends. Okay, dogs, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. Understood? So, they can be kept as pets. Now, I think all you must have understood this. Again, I am repeating this. See, we will read what the question is. Replace the highlighted naming words with we or they. Okay, see, these highlighted words are written in red color line. So, China and Ravi love cartoons. What we will use? They. They love cartoons. See now, they love cartoons is the same in both the lines. But here we have to use they because it is more than one person. Okay. Number B. Sunil and I are going to school. See, Sunil and I, they are more than one person. We are going to school. Okay. Cheryl, Meena and I are good friends. So, we are good friends. Dogs, cats and fishes can be kept as pets. They can be kept as pets. Understood this? Yes, I think you all have understood this. Understood? Yes. So, now you have to do your work properly. You have to do it properly and then you have to